Hello everyone, I just wanted to take this time to personally invite you to a very special event to meet my new best friend, the Sofwave machine. We've had this for quite a while now and have a lot of experience with it, and I think it may be the perfect device to take your practice to the next level. So get your calendars out now and go to December 10th, which is Friday afternoon, from 2 to 5 p.m. This is an exclusive event for you, for MAA members only. I will be there talking about this device, and our very special friend, Dr. DiBernardo, who's been president of every plastic surgery society in the country, and he's one of the leading innovators in technology design for plastic surgery devices. He's going to be there. He's going to talk about the science behind it and how he uses it in his practice and all the benefits he gets from it and you can get from it. And there will actually be someone there from the company as well talking about your return on investment. How do you make money with this device? What do the numbers look like? They're going to have very special pricing for you, for all of you who attend. There's going to be swag bags. There's going to be a couple machines there. My best friend's here with me. And you can actually try the device as a patient, and we'll show you how to do it. You can see how it feels. You can also do some of the treatments yourself. I think we'll have 2 or 3 devices there, so come with us. Please don't miss this event. This is going to be a game changer. So I'll see you there next Friday at the school. From 2 to 5 p.m. You will get an email, so just respond to it, to the event. Book it now because space will be limited, unfortunately. But I look forward to seeing you there, and we'll introduce you to my new best friend.